to the point where I cleaned up all this, because all this had with all the condensation, I was having mold growing on here on all my drapes down there. So I took all of those off. That was one here originally since '93. So those finally came off. And I just put this insulation I bought for right less than $12 for this whole 6 pieces of it. So I'm gonna put this right here and it's covered, can't nobody see in. And then I'm gonna put another one from the bottom. I was cutting it already right now, but I'm gonna put it into the bottom and then it'll cover up this point. But I'm not gonna stick one in here. I'm gonna just have it where it can have a little bit of air. So I'll see how that do in a minute. And then I got my 4,000 watt inverter. I really don't use it, but I feel like it's good to have it just in case anything happens. And the main thing I want to do is get to the point where I hook up the alternator to be able to charge my batteries in the back. So sooner or later I'll do that. So right here, I just put those two in there and then bungeed it to it. So that's, you know, serving me well. I ain't had no problems with all that. At first it was all sliding around, but I ended up having to put it over here because from this back is how I reach over and unlock my back door. So it's pretty handy, and I also turn on my inverter from being able to reach around from my bed. So right now I'm sitting at 11.9 for my battery. It's just a simple system. I definitely want to have some space and just be able to put some stuff over there. This is my tent for my shower. It was for the longest I didn't find the easy way to open up my back, so I wasn't using the tent or the hot tap system. But I finally decided to pull it out, so everything's in use now. Still got to finish off the door, but I finally insulated the front doors and I'm a whole lot warmer as a result of that one. But I'm gonna get ready to put up all this insulation and I'll show you what to do. I got this one put in just like this here. It still got a little air or a little you know, gap, but it's not on the, you know, regular side where you'll be able to see anything. But there you go right there. And then I'm gonna put one more from the top going down, and then that'll complete everything. So that's how I'm insulating the back. I spray painted the front of the reflectors with some black, and we'll see if that hold. I ran out of paint, so I'm gonna go back. Well, shit, I ain't going back. So it looked pretty decent on this side. There's no reason to go back and take it all off just to respray it, but we'll see what the other side look like, and if I need to, I'll go ahead and do that. But right now, I feel like I'm good. So everything is leveled up just like that. I got 3 panels, and overall, I like it, and that's how I'm gonna put it. It fits perfectly up in there. Like, yeah, no, hell no, bro. Toolbox. All this all set with a few things. We got too much in here. Finally done. Put up the inserts for the windows to insulate that. Got everything set on that side. I put these little pieces at the bottom so I can insulate the floor just a little bit. Still got space straight back, so I'll use that sooner or later. Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what it looked like from the lowest setting of my baseline lights for my home. This is the lowest setting. I believe I'm gonna push one button, and then y'all gonna be able to see what it do. So I got 2 more of those USB lights that I'm gonna install, and then everything will be even more lit. So my lighting situation is pretty decent. It doesn't use much wattage. It's pretty efficient for me. I wanted to go ahead and show y'all another piece of the puzzle. This right here is an adjustable table. So if I'm outside cooking on my camp chef stove, you know, if I'm cooking or whatever, and I got the stove popped out, then, you know, I can pull this out. It adjusts basically the whole length of the bed. I can have this, and I'll show you what it do. So, move this. So pull this one out. And this is like a stand for my table. So then I'm out here with it. Then I can go ahead and cook and do what I need to do. So that table is pretty much perfect. It's the perfect height. Stand and do stuff on. Stand and, you know, have a standing work table. So I can adjust it like that. Let's see. So it's the same thing when I'm cooking out here. It's right at my stomach level. For me, it's the perfect height to still be able to cook and enjoy myself. Everything's perfect. Definitely for me, more than expected. So I'm gonna go ahead and light up the scene real quick. No battery. Yeah. But everything's going good for me. I'm just setting up and setting up and setting up. So I'll take care. So from here, another piece of the puzzle to finish up was I installed fans along the bottom side and up along the top to provide a gentle breeze, because I was having an issue with condensation and circulation. So I think this is gonna do it, you know, to fix the problem and get me in a better situation overall. I'm gonna go ahead and adjust my table. Right on there. So that goes right here, and then, you know, right in line right here with this piece going straight down. But I got a chance to install this fan right here, and that gives me it should give me some circulation. On the smallest, well, I guess the lowest setting is about 1 watt, so I definitely would recommend getting something like this. And then I got the other one up here because they paired in 2. So right there, go along, and whenever I got the fan, or excuse me, my heater on, they're just gonna come straight through, circulate around, make it good. My baseline temperature difference is about 15 to 20 degrees. So I'm winning. It's what I feel right now. But go ahead, stay blessed, and do your thing. I'm gonna holler at y'all later. A shout out to all my family, all my friends. Stay blessed.